Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you the free products that I received in the last time. I know many of you know the story behind these products. For those who don't, these are free products that I received thanks to social media accounts. Not all the products are in full size, but most of them are samples or travel size products. I think I mentioned everything, so let's start with the first envelope. Inside I have a sample from Aino Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Intensely hydrates and helps heal very dry skin. It is a body lotion formulated with oat complex and shea butter to intensely hydrate the skin. In the next envelope, I have a sample from the Inky List. It is the new anti-aging face cream, bioactive ceramide repairing and plumping moisturizer. I will be honest that until now I didn't try any product from the Inky List. At some point I know that I wanted to try an eye cream from them, but I don't remember what happened, why I didn't get it. Well, I have a chance to try this face cream now. I hope I will like it. In the next envelope I have a product that I can wait to try it. It is a hand cream from Neutrogena. Hand cream concentrated scented cream. A very nice hand cream with a beautiful formula. As it's stated on the packaging, is scented. It has a beautiful and strong, I will say, floral scent. In the next envelope, it hides two samples from a brand that I like, Elizabeth Arden. I received the Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Day Cream with SPF 15. It is a day cream that will firm and hydrate the skin. And the second sample is from the same range, Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Night Cream. Now let's move to the next envelope. And inside I have some samples from LOreal. Is their new Absolute Repair Molecular range. Is a 3-step hair care routine. Here I have Absolute Repair Molecular Peptides Bonder plus 5 amino acids. Is a leave-in mask that will restore strength and hair elasticity. Next I have Absolute Repair Molecular Peptide Bonder plus 5 amino acids professional shampoo that will do the same things. And the last is the Absolute Repair Molecular Professional Rinse Off Serum. The order for this 3-step routine is first goes the shampoo, after is the serum, and at the end is the leave-in mask. In the next envelope I have some samples from the brand Jessie Curl. I have 4 products to try. First is the Confident Coils Styling Lotion. Is a creamy medium hold styler for fine and medium textured hair that is glycerin and protein free to give definition and hold. The next sample is an extra moisturizing conditioner for dry and thirsty curls. Next I have Rockin' Ringlets Styling Potion. Is a powerful curl enhancer that will boost waves into curls. It has a thin consistency and light to medium hold. And the last is the sulfate-free shampoo. A light cleanser that will clean your hair without stripping out the moisture. Great for fine hair. In the next small black box, I have a only perfume sample received. It is from Vera Wong, Princess Eau de Toilette. Is a beautiful floral fragrance, is not very strong. I will describe it as a shy scent, is not expressive, is delicate and sweet. Like it a lot. Now let's move to the small boxes, and in the first one I have 3 eye patches from Avant called Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. I checked on the Avant website and they are sold in sets of 3. This means that here I have a full-size product, only that it didn't come in the original packaging. Avant claims that these pads it aims to smooth, intensely hydrate and minimize the appearance of fine lines, dark circles and puffiness. I didn't try them yet, but definitely I will do it. And the last box now, and inside I have a product that I tried in the past. It is an eye serum from the brand Feria or Flanerie, I don't know exactly how to spell it. It is the Wild Jasmine Hyaluronic Eye Serum. As I said, I tried this product in the past and is lovely. The formula is lightweight, is absorbing quick into the skin, is not heavy, very easy to use. It is hydrating and gentle with around the eyes skin. Nice product, happy to have it again. Well guys, to be honest, I am happy with everything I got here. I will definitely use them. If you want to know my opinion about a specific product seen here, let me know and I will answer it in a future video. This is everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!